Hello everyone. So let's learn about the Bible today. In the previous video, we were talking about Gideon and he was a judge. And now let's learn more. What is a judge? What is a judge? A judge is a leader who makes important decisions and ensures justice is served. So these are the judges: Othniel, Ehud, Deborah. I think she's the only female judge. Gideon, we have discussed. Then let's ask, was there a judge during Moses' time? So let's see. During Moses' time, a judge was not the same role as a judges. In Moses' time, judges were actually leaders who helped govern the tribes. Notable judges during Moses' time: Hur and Caleb. Oh, interesting. Why is there a need of judge? A judge. The need for judge arose because of complexity and diversity of Israelite community. Key factors that led to the need of judge: growing population, increased complexity, need for guidance, promotes peace, upgrades justice, fosters trust. Hmm. So those are the purpose of judge. Was Moses a judge? Moses was a leader and a mediator, but he is not typically considered a judge. Let's ask again. Who decides? Who could be the judge? The people of Israel typically decided who would be the judge through the process of nomination and appointment. This process involves the leaders of the community such as Moses and other elders who would identify and select candidates for the role of the judge. Oh, they also have like their own voting, huh? In summary, what is a judge? A judge in ancient Israel was a leader who made important decisions and ensured justice is served. So that's the purpose of the judge. So Gideon, Samson, they were judges. Okay? So I hope you learned something today and have a great day.